From the moment we first gaze upon the night sky, we are filled with questions. What is our place in this vast cosmos? What is the meaning of it all? These questions have echoed through humanity for millennia. While the answers may seem elusive, the pursuit itself holds profound significance. The search for purpose is woven into the fabric of our being. We yearn to understand our existence and leave our mark on the world. This innate desire drives us to explore, to learn, and to connect with something greater than ourselves. Perhaps the answer lies not in a single, definitive answer, but in the journey itself. What if the purpose of existence is not a destination, but a process? What if it's about growth, expansion, and the constant striving towards something more? Look around. The universe itself embodies this principle of growth. From the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, everything is in a state of constant flux, always changing, always evolving. Stars are born from clouds of dust and gas, blazing with fiery intensity. They grow and change over eons, eventually transforming into something new. Black holes, once thought to be agents of destruction, now appear to play a role in the creation of new stars and galaxies. Growth is not limited to the physical realm. Ideas too are born, spread and evolve. They take root in our minds, influencing our thoughts, actions and interactions. This constant exchange of information fuels our collective evolution. The law of attraction suggests that we draw to ourselves experiences and opportunities that align with our dominant thoughts and emotions. In essence, we attract what we focus on. This principle applies not only to our personal lives, but also to our understanding of the universe. The more we seek knowledge, the more we open ourselves up to new discoveries. The more we cultivate curiosity, the more the universe reveals its secrets. Think of it like tuning a radio. By adjusting our frequency, our thoughts and beliefs, we can tap into different wavelengths of reality, attracting experiences that resonate with our inner world. Section 4. The inevitable flow entropy and the redistribution of energy. While the law of attraction speaks to the power of creation and expansion, the law of entropy reminds us of the impermanence of all things. Entropy dictates that energy tends to disperse over time. Ordered systems naturally move towards disorder. This might seem at odds with the concept of growth, but entropy is not simply chaos or destruction. It's a force of transformation, a way for energy to redistribute and create new possibilities. A dying star, for example, explodes in a supernova, scattering its elements across the cosmos. These elements eventually become the building blocks for new stars, planets, and even life itself. Entropy teaches us that endings are not finalities, but transitions. It reminds us to embrace change and find beauty in the impermanence of all things. Section 5. Stellar evolution. From dust to brilliant light, stars exemplify the interplay between growth, expansion, and balance. They begin as clouds of interstellar gas and dust, drawn together by gravity. As they coalesce, their cores heat up, eventually igniting nuclear fusion. This process releases enormous amounts of energy, causing the star to shine brightly. Over millions or billions of years, stars convert hydrogen to helium in their cores. This process, known as stellar nucleosynthesis, is responsible for creating the heavier elements that make up our world and our very bodies. When a star exhausts its nuclear fuel, it undergoes a series of transformations, expanding and contracting, shedding its outer layers and ultimately evolving into a white dwarf, neutron star or black hole. Even in death, stars contribute to the ongoing growth and evolution of the universe. Section 6. Humanity's ascent, the pursuit of knowledge and connection. Just like stars, humans are driven by an innate desire to grow and expand. We are explorers, inventors, and storytellers, constantly seeking to understand ourselves and the world around us. Our journey is one of accumulating knowledge, forging connections, and leaving a legacy for future generations. From the earliest cave paintings to the latest scientific discoveries, we strive to leave our mark on the world. This pursuit of knowledge and connection is not merely an act of self-preservation. It's an expression of our connection to something greater than ourselves. a reflection of the universe's inherent drive towards growth and expansion.